Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be walking you through how to create your weekly reading blog posts. To begin, you can start on our class website, misstreetchicks.weebly.com, and then you can hover your mouse over the Student Portfolios tab. Under the Student Portfolios tab, you'll see there's a Student Weebly login page and a Reading Blogs page. To log into Weebly, you're going to click on Student Weebly Login. You could also just type in students.weebly.com and that will take you directly to this login page. You're going to log in with the username and password that you were given at the beginning of the school year. Once you log in, you're going to click where it says Edit Site. This will take you to the editing page. To create a blog post, you're going to click in the top right corner where it says Reading Blog. This will take you to the Reading Blog page of your website. Next, you're going to click on the blue button that says New Post in the bottom right-hand corner. If you've already begun a post, you'll see an option to click on Drafts because you're able to save and continue working on a blog at any time. I created an example, so I have one saved in my Drafts folder. You will see that there's a spot to write the title. The format that you are going to use to write your title is putting today's date along with the title of the book that you are writing your blog post about. My example is about the book Frindle. To create a text box, you're going to look at the tools over to the left. You're going to click and drag the text box over to your blog post. That will create a text box. You're now ready to begin typing in your reading blog. To start your reading blog, here is what you need to include. I would like you to share your thoughts and thinking while you're reading. Include details from what you read to support your opinion. Your response should be 4 to 5 sentences long. Here are some examples of what you could say. You may want to start out saying, "This book made me feel happy because," or "This book made me feel sad because," "I think that," "I like or dislike," insert a name of a character in your book because, "I like how the author," or "If I were to rewrite the ending, I would." These are just examples to get you started. When you're all finished typing in your blog, make sure that you reread it to check for any errors. When you're all ready to publish, you're going to click the orange post button in the top right-hand corner. You can click the X here, and then make sure that you click the blue Publish button. If you do not click this blue Publish button, it will not publish your blog post, and no one will be able to see it except you. If you would like to check to see what it looks like, you can go back to our class website and then click on the Reading Blogs tab under Student Portfolios. You can find your name in the list and then click on it. You can then click on Reading Blog and scroll down, and if you did everything correctly, you'll see your blog post listed below.